Want to take your ethical hacking skills to the next level? Here are the top 5 Linux distros that every hacker should know, all in just 3 minutes. Stay tuned to power up your pen testing. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm your name from your channel name. In today's video, we're diving into the best Linux distributions for hackers. Whether you're into penetration testing, network security, or just exploring cybersecurity, these distros are built to empower your hacking journey. Stay tuned. First up, Kali Linux, the industry standard for penetration testing. Packed with hundreds of security tools, it's the go-to distro for professionals. With features like a customizable interface, extensive documentation, and regular updates, Kali Linux ensures you have the latest tools and support for your cybersecurity needs. Next, Parrot OS, a lightweight alternative that's ideal for ethical hackers and privacy enthusiasts alike. It offers a sleek interface and powerful tools while maintaining a focus on security. Parrot OS also includes a wide range of tools for penetration testing, digital forensics, and software development, making it a versatile choice for professionals. BackBox Linux is another excellent choice for penetration testing. Known for its simplicity and efficient design, it provides a streamlined platform for conducting penetration tests without unnecessary bloat. BackBox Linux is widely used for its robust performance and extensive toolkit. For advanced users, BlackArch Linux offers an extensive repository of over 2,800 hacking tools, perfect for those who want to customize their security environment to the extreme. It's a powerful platform for penetration testing and security research. Finally, check out Name of Emerging Distro, a rising star in the hacking community that's gaining popularity for its unique features like advanced network tools and performance optimizations. It's definitely worth keeping an eye on for future updates. Each of these Linux distributions has its own strengths, from Kali's comprehensive toolset to Parrot OS's balance of power and efficiency, to BlackArch's extensive repository of tools, and beyond. The best distro for you depends on your specific needs and experience level in ethical hacking. Choose wisely and happy hacking. So, what's your top pick for a hacking distro? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to your channel name for more cybersecurity tips, and share this video with fellow hackers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the notification bell for updates. Gap-2.0s. In this bonus chapter, we'll explore some additional tools and resources that can enhance your ethical hacking skills. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. First up, let's talk about Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer that's invaluable for network troubleshooting and analysis. It's an essential tool for any ethical hacker looking to understand the intricacies of network traffic. Next on the list is Metasploit, a powerful framework used for developing and executing exploit code against a remote target machine. It's particularly useful for penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. Another fantastic resource is OWASP, the Open Web Application Security Project. They offer a wealth of information, including the OWASP Top 10, which is a list of the most critical web application security risks. Lastly, don't forget to check out some online communities and forums like Hack the Box, where you can practice your skills in a controlled, legal environment. These platforms offer real-world challenges that can help you hone your abilities. If you want to dive deeper, consider enrolling in courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera, which offer specialized training in various aspects of cybersecurity. That's it for this bonus chapter. Equip yourself with these tools and resources and you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient ethical hacker. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, keep learning and stay safe.